Follow the steps on how to create text with 2 gradient colors like this in Illustrator. Here I have prepared the text that will be added with the gradient effect. Then remove the main color. Open Appearance and add New Fill. Change it with a basic gradient. Open the gradient panel and you can follow the gradient color choices like I did. Reopen Appearance and add a drop shadow. You can set it like this. Double-click to edit the text. Press G to adjust the gradient position. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.